We'll just go find a place to sit.
Nice looking dog you got there.
Thank you. I'm doing a vlog on this place since we've never been here. You know. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. So smart. Good job. Open it more. Wait. What? Oh, he is? Okay. Hi, Baba. Trying to find. Hey, good boy. You got 2 compliments already in the last 3 minutes. Yeah, guys, we got that in the last 3 minutes. All right, I'm gonna cut it here until we get our food. See ya. So I got an Italian beef sandwich with fries and a water. My twin brother Anthony, guy dog, Zeke, and I are with our dad for dinner as well. He got a sandwich as well with fries, and my brother got a cheeseburger with fries, and I think a Pepsi. Yes, it was a Pepsi. I'm also vlogging us being at this place eating dinner as well, is because we've never been here, and I figured, what the hell, why not? Yes, I know I don't have to all the time, but I just felt like it. Not only that, Anthony and I have not been to a Buona Beef place in a while, and we've missed eating their food.
Take care of these for you guys.
Thank you.
Give you a little elbow room. Are you done with yours?
Good boy. Yep. This is what I'm finishing up my fries. I already have my sandwich. Hey Zeke, treat. Here's Anthony, of course. Her father just went to the bathroom. Hi. Hi, Bubba. Yes, I'm wearing my elevator shirt, of course. Copyright music alert. Parts of audio muted. Good boy, yes. Good boy. I thought this hand dryer with the lights and all that stuff looked really cool. It didn't look like any ordinary. There's me waving in the mirror. I had to go to the bathroom first, even though I washed my hands before this. I went to the bathroom and then I washed my hands again because that's the process I usually like to go to, because napkins after eating, they don't really do much. One of the many reasons I try to bring baby wipes on me, as well as for the dog.
No, leave it.
Now we're currently in the bathroom in the accessible stall, and I'm gonna have Zeke lay down as usual. Lay down. I apologize, portions of this video need to be muted out, but the music is literally blasting. Good boy. Now Zeke's just doing a downstay or just settling like he always does, dozing. So we are walking out of the stall, and I'm gonna go wash my hands quick. I'm literally the only person in the bathroom, thankfully. It's not really that big, but it's an ideal space for 2 big men like us. Not right now, heal. Oh, that's better. Zeke, over here. Good boy. Alright, stay there. So I'm about to wash my hands after I cut this clip. So right now I'm showing us in the mirror right now. And apparently I'm making my phone go up close. I don't know why. But I'm just saying, smiling, and just like how I've done before, I waved to say hi. Here's where I show this cool hand dryer after finishing up my hands. There's no paper towel dispenser, which is odd. I just find those lights very unique, just the way it's designed. Here's a fire alarm I show right at the door. I do know quite a bit about fire alarms. Some fire alarm enthusiasts in particular that I watch are also elevator enthusiasts.
Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good job.
At this point, we all pretty much leave and head home. Hope you enjoyed.
Well, wait. Right. Good boy.